For generations, a shadow loomed over some children in Kenya. Under traditional interpretations of Islamic succession law, a child born outside of a formal marriage was often denied their right to inherit from their father. This legal and social exclusion left thousands vulnerable and without a voice. They were not to blame for the circumstances of their birth, yet they were punished. This discriminatory practice created a painful divide, denying a child not only their inheritance but also their rightful place within the family and society. But in a landmark case, the long-held tradition was challenged. The matter reached the highest court in the land, forcing the judiciary to reconcile long-standing religious practices with the transformative vision of the Kenyan constitution. In a groundbreaking decision, the Supreme Court of Kenya ruled with a clear voice: the Constitution is supreme. The court held that no law, religious or otherwise, can be used to unfairly discriminate against a child. The justices, in their ruling, introduced a proportionality test. They declared that any exclusion of rights, even for the application of religious law, must be strictly necessary and not a blanket exemption. The Constitution's principles of equality and non-discrimination were affirmed as the bedrock of our legal system. The court's unanimous decision was a powerful statement, reinforcing the judiciary's role as a guardian of fundamental rights and its commitment to a progressive and compassionate interpretation of justice. This ruling is not just a legal triumph, it is a human victory. It upholds the fundamental human right of every child to be treated with dignity and without discrimination. By securing their right to inheritance, the Supreme Court has provided a crucial safety net for these children, offering them a chance at economic security and a more stable future. It recognizes that a child should not suffer for their parents' choices. This judgment also brings a measure of justice to women who often bear the responsibility of raising children born out of wedlock. It empowers them by protecting their children's financial security and their rightful place in society. This decision is a step towards a more inclusive society. It encourages a shift in societal attitudes, reducing the long-standing stigma associated with children born outside of a formal marriage and fostering greater social cohesion. The ruling, as expected, has been met with mixed reactions. While human rights advocates and legal experts have hailed it as a victory for constitutionalism, some religious leaders have expressed strong opposition, arguing it encroaches on the autonomy of Islamic law. This ongoing national dialogue is a healthy part of a maturing democracy. It underscores the importance of finding a balance between religious freedom and the constitutional guarantee of equality for all citizens. The Supreme Court's decision provides a clear legal foundation for this dialogue, reinforcing that religious laws must be interpreted in harmony with the Constitution, especially when a child's rights are at stake. In the end, this ruling is about the children, the future of our nation. It is a powerful affirmation that in the Republic of Kenya, every child is a child of the Constitution. And their rights will always be protected. Forever. Thank you for watching. If our video resonated with you, please consider liking and subscribing to stay updated. Join our community in the comments to share your insights and foster discussions that drive positive change. See you next time.